Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to like a comment on a Facebook post using your PC. Interacting with comments allows you to engage with others and show your appreciation. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and typing in facebook.com in the address bar. Hit Enter to access the Facebook website. Step 2. Once you're on Facebook, locate the post where the comment is that you want to like. Scroll through your news feed or visit the profile or page where the post is published. Step 3. To view all the comments on the post, click on View More Comments located below the post. This will expand the comment section, allowing you to see all the comments. Step 4. Once you've found the comment you want to like, simply click on the Like button located below that comment. This will indicate your appreciation or agreement with the comment. To recap, open Facebook, find the desired post, click on View More Comments to expand the comment section, and then click the Like button under the desired comment. That's it. Now you know how to like a comment on a Facebook post using your PC. Engaging with comments is a great way to interact with others and show your support. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos like this one.